guys, Nisi here, back with another video. I have a review for you guys. Today I'm going to review one of the Teamoy pencil cases. And I really like this pencil case, guys. If you saw one of my unboxing videos, I unboxed a black one of this one and a gray polka dot one. And I kind of showed you guys already how that pencil case looked, but I just wanted to make a dedicated quick little short video of the Teamoy cases. And the top, it has a mesh zipper where you can put your different little things up there, maybe a little pencil sharpener or some tortillon stumps, blending stumps, or whatever you'd like to put there. Then, of course, inside, of course, this is the peony design. Inside, you have your strap that you can strap here to the outside. And you'll have your little shoulder strap. How cute is that? And you have a handle, so you can carry it either way. Now, on the inside, excuse me, you have this 72 pencil slot that actually comes out. It doesn't have any kind of Velcro or anything for you to snap it, but you just take your pencils out and lay it in here. And it also has, hold on guys, let me get my other pencil case, because I took it out. Bad me. I have my black one here. And as you see, I have my little eraser in here. It comes with a flat pencil case that goes in here. The little flat, not fat, I'm sorry. Sorry, pencil case, you're not fat, okay? It comes with the flat pencil holder that you can put your pencils in. That's additional storage. So it can actually hold a lot more than 72 pencils. It can hold every bit of maybe 92 pencils. But, well, I could keep this out here to just kind of show you guys how it works. If you're just using this palette, you can just sit that out there, however you want to use it. But I really love the design of having your pencils just like out like this. I really like that. It's really cool. I love the innovation of it. I've never seen a pencil case that could do that. It can hold 72 pencils with just this alone. And then this case, pencil holder, holder part can hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. And then on this side, you can get 2 in each one of these. So 14, 16, 18, 20. And I'm sure you can get 4 in these quickly. So that's 28. So you can hold 28 more pencils in addition to your 72. So wow, that's 100, guys. Like, seriously. So it can hold every bit of 100 pencils. So they come in all different colors. They come in the peony design, the gray and black, polka dot, some really cute flower designs, dog, cats, purple, black, solid colors. So the price on these guys were just amazing, guys. Oh my goodness. I think I paid $6.99 for this one, and they were like higher when I bought this one. So it was like $7.99 or $8.99, but they started going down to as low as $5.99, guys. So if you need some pencil cases, stock up on these Teamoy pencil cases. They are amazing, and I love the way they come out. And if you don't want to, you know, take them out, you can just always do it like this. You know, just leave them in the case. You leave them in the package or whatever in the case, and just do like that with them, you know. But I really like how they come out, and I can just have them out with me. So guys, that's my quick, fast, and in a hurry review of the Teamoy cases. And I hope you guys enjoyed spending this little time with me on this review, and I hope you join me in my next video, okay? Bye guys, and happy coloring!